With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So let's see this question. In this question it is given, which of the following statement is correct? The first is that plus I group stabilizes the carbocation, then plus I group stabilizes the carbon free radical, and minus I group stabilizes the carbon ion, and fourth is all of these. So first of all, what is this plus I and minus I? We know very well these are inductive effects. Now what is inductive effect? When does it arise? So you know that inductive effect, it arises in case of unequal sharing of electrons. Unequal sharing of electrons. So when there is some unequal sharing of electrons, then inductive effect arises, and due to this effect what happens, that the alkyl groups either they donate electrons, so donate electrons, or withdraw electrons. These two things happen when inductive effect is present, right, among the alkyl groups or among any substituted group, which either maybe that group may be electron donating or that group may be electron withdrawing. Now plus I group refers to, plus I means plus inductive group refers to when electron is donated, and negative inductive effect refers to electron is withdrawn, right? So these are the two types of inductive effect. When electron is donated by some group, if it is donating electron towards some center, towards some, you can say, other in a carbocation there will be a positive center, carbon free radical, there will be a odd electron species on the carbon. So like that, if the alkyl groups are donating electron towards those center, then that is plus I effect, and if they are withdrawing electrons towards them from those center, then it's minus I effect. Now we will see the example properly. The first is we are talking about carbocation. So let's take about a carbocation where you have three alkyl groups attached. We know very well that tertiary carbocations are most stabilized. Now here only comes the reason that these actually, you can say there are three alkyl groups are attached. Now if these alkyl groups are CH3, let's say these are CH3 groups. So CH3 is having plus I effect, CH3 is having plus I effect, that is plus inductive effect. So what it will do, due to this inductive effect, it will increase the electron. This plus I effect will be shown by CH3, right? And what it will do, this CH3, due to its plus I effect, it definitely at this carbon center there was deficiency of electron, but due to the plus I effect of larger number of alkyl groups, 3 CH3s, then what will happen, due to the plus I effect, the electron density here earlier it was low, and that's why it is the positive charge, but then the electron density here will increase. So electron, you can say electron density at C positive increases due to plus I effect, and hence it stabilizes, which stabilizes it. So stability is gained because it is having deficiency of electron, but when the electron density is increased, then stability is attained, you can say. So what you can say, that yes, plus I effect is stabilizing the carbocation. You can see this is a carbocation, and if the plus I effect is there, carbocation means what? It has deficiency of electron, and plus I effect, what does it indicate? Plus I effect indicates that electron is donated. So if it has deficiency of electron, carbocation, and when the electron is donated towards those carbocation, then definitely that is going to increase the stability. So it's the true statement. Now let's see next. Plus I group stabilizes the carbon free radical. Yes, it's also true. We know tertiary radicals are very much stabilized. How actually? Let's take a carbon free radical like this, C dot, and you have three alkyl groups attached here again. Then what you are going to say, that if plus I effect of these three alkyl groups, what will happen? Here you have an odd electron species. Now when plus I effect occurs, that is plus inductive effect occurs, then the odd electron species gets stabilized because it is odd electron, therefore it is getting stabilized if plus I effect is occur. And that's why you know very well that due to the hyperconjugation as well as due to the plus I effect, these tertiary radicals, they are odd electron species and they are highly stable. Tertiary radicals are highly stable. Tertiary radicals highly stable. Due to the plus I effect of again these alkyl groups. Due to the plus I effect of these alkyl groups. So these are highly stable because they are odd electron species, and when this plus I effect occurs, they gain stability. So this is also the true statement that plus I group stabilizes the carbon free radical. Now next is minus I group stabilizes the carbon ion. Now what happens in case of carbon ion? What is carbon ion? There is a negative charge on the carbon, then it is carbon ion. Now this is very important, that if there is a negative charge on the carbon, then that is carbon ion. Now here if minus I effect occurs, then what will happen? Already it is having excess of electron. That carbon on the negative charge represents means it's already having excess of electron. So if minus I effect occurs by these alkyl groups, if there is minus I effect, you can say if these substituent it cause minus I effect, right? Like you can say any such minus I effect group is attached at these substituted positions, then what you are going to say, that in that case what will happen? Definitely this will stabilize because already it was having excess of electron, but when minus I effect will occur, electron will be withdrawn. Electron is withdrawn in case of minus I effect. So if electron is withdrawn, then definitely this carbon ion attains stability. If electron is withdrawn, carbon ion attains stability, right? Due to minus I effect, because already it's having excess of electron, but when the electron is withdrawn, it attains stability due to minus I effect. So finally what you will say, that yes, minus I effect, that is the negative inductive effect, stabilizes the carbon ion, right? So this is also the true statement. So all the statements are true. So finally you will select which option, all of these. So we will select here, we'll write here that option D is correct, right? I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.